The anchovies that we tried today was 9 months old, and it was cured with salt and olives. 9 months means it's exactly the same time to raise a baby, and the kind of flavors, the kind of taste that you got in the anchovies, it was like a exceptional, phenomenal, never tasted before. And being there right in Santander, the right by the coast where the boats are sailing, speechless. I mean, the total overall experience of looking at the the details which goes into cleaning the anchovies, curing it, and the taste that you get was simply wow. I don't think any other regions of the world can offer something like this, and I am truly blessed to be here.